Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another easy drawing. This one is going to be the bunny from Roblox. And again, here is my full pencil sketch, and then right after this sketch, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So this one is very easy to draw, very similar to the Piggy that we drew earlier. So we're going to start out with the overall head shape, so it's just going to be one big circle. So this will be probably the hardest part. So you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you draw a nice looking circle. If not, you can just kind of freehand it, it's okay too. Alright, so that's going to be the overall head shape, and then now we're going to draw in the nose area. So just come right about to the middle of the circle. You can make a little point, and then we'll draw another circle with this being the top. So just come down and draw another circle. Okay, and then to finish up the mouth on the bottom here, just draw two curves coming out. Very simple. Okay, so after this, we're going to draw one of her eyes. So just come out to the corner here. Draw one circle, and then I'll draw one more inside here, closer to the top. And I'll just shade around this. Okay, and then now for the eye patch here. So just come to the corner here. I just go out. Draw one little curve like this first. So that's going to be the top of the eye patch. So now from this corner here, we'll just dip down, just round it out. And then for the strap here, this one's easy, just slant out, and then same thing here. Alright, and then I'll shade this in real quick. Okay, and then for the cheek right here, you can just draw in 2 little egg shapes on the side. Alright, so now let's go up and finish up the ear. So for the ear, just go right in the middle, right on top. Just come out to the side, make 2 little points first. And then from here, just kind of slant up. Okay, so that's gonna be one side. Just come over, make a little point and draw in the same slant. Just go up. And then now round this off. Okay, so about the same thickness as this. Just come over, make another point. Again, we'll slant up, same as this. And then just round it up. Alright, and then now for the inside, a little detail. This one's easy. We just gotta draw another curve exactly the same as the one on the outside. So you can start out with a little curve like this on the top. Then we'll just come in. Just follow the same direction. Alright, so that's the head, and for the body, it's really simple again. Just come out here, make 2 little points. This is gonna be the shoulder area. And then for the dress, we'll just curve out. Okay, same thing on both sides. And then we'll connect this. Just add a little wavy line to it. Just go all the way around. Okay, since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up the boot. So right in the middle here, come out to the side, make 2 little points. Come straight down. On this side here, come down and just curve out. Close it off. Same thing here. So we're gonna curve in and then just kind of go the opposite way. Come back down. Close it off. Alright, so let's draw into arms, and let's draw on this side first because this one's gonna be holding the crossbow. So start on the shoulder right here. Let's come down. Okay, here's the armpit right around here. I'm just gonna draw a little line. So just one little tube coming down. And then for a thumb right here, we'll round that out, just a little hook. And then for this side here, just continue down, just curve it, and then just hook it back up. Alright, so the other side is gonna be pretty much the same. Just have it go out a little bit more because she's gonna be holding the crossbow. So here's the shoulder. We'll just slant out. Okay, here's the armpit. Okay, we're gonna start on the inside for the thumb. Just one little curve. And then on the back side here, curve, and then just kind of hook it right behind the thumb. Alright, so now for the crossbow, very simple. I'm just gonna draw in a little rectangle, pretty much the same direction, same slant as the arm. And I'll shade that in real quick, make it black. Okay, and then now for the very tip right here, just draw one curve coming in this way, and then let's draw another one pretty much the same, just opposite. And then now for the string, I'll just go in straight, and then whatever place you stop here, just start from here, and we'll just connect to this point. Alright, and then the very tip of the crossbow got some detail here. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll just flare this out and then just close it flat. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and we can add in a little bit more detail just to make it look like cloth. We can add in some of these lines. Alright, so that is it for this very easy to draw bunny from Roblox. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.